What up, Facebook? It's little me tonight. My gorgeous husband is on some babysitting duties. Hey, how is everyone going? Happy hump day for all those people that are out there slaving away, working. How are you all? I hope you've had a great day. Look, my hair's a little bit, I think it's gonna go with the theme. I'm all fired up today. I really am. I seriously am. I've been hearing from people going like this, totally telling me that they want lots and lots of change in their life. They want to change their circumstances. They want to change this. They want to change that. They want to travel more. They want to fire their boss. They want to, move into a better place. They want to, change their circumstances. But you know what? They just don't want to step outside of their comfort zone and just make it happen. Or they do think they're prepared to step into outside of their comfort zone, and they do all this personal development and they're almost getting ready to be ready, and they're listening to all this personal development, but you know what, they just can't execute and they just can't get out of their head because there's all these voices in their head going, you can't do it, you can't do it, you can't do it, you can't do it. And they've got family, friends, external forces telling them they can't. People listen to that. So no matter what they do, they're never ever going to get anywhere. They're never going to step outside of their comfort zone. They're never going to step forward. They're never going to change their circumstances. Guess what? They stay in the same place. And I'm telling you guys that the only person that can change where you are today is you. You. People don't pay your bills. People don't, reach your dreams. They don't create your dreams. They don't, they don't pay for your holidays. They don't pay for, a home that you want to buy or anything like that. It's you. So if you want to make it happen, then you've got to make it happen. You're the one that has to make the effort. Step outside of your comfort zone, no matter what that is. If you want to try something different in your career, just do it. If you want to try, getting a small business, just do it. If you want to travel the world by yourself, just do it. I mean, I constantly talk to people and they say, I really want to do this. I really want to do this. I really want to do this. I'm going, yeah, you know what? You can. You absolutely can. What's stopping you? And then they just sit there and they go, I don't know. Yeah, I think so. Hey, hit me a 1 if you can relate to this. Hit me a 1 if you can relate to the fact that you keep hearing all this stuff and people just don't want to make that change. All these people just say, I want a better job. I want to do this. I want to do that. I want to, meet the love of my life, but I don't want to work on myself. I want to have a better career, but I don't want to invest in myself. You know what? I want to start a new business, but I'm scared about what people are going to say about me. And you just go, well, you know what? Stay in your place and just stop whinging. Just stop whinging. Just stay in your place, because there's no point in you going, wee, if you're not going to do something about it, right? At the end of the day, the only way that you can move forward is if you actually move forward. I mean, seriously, that is a aha moment, right? So I just want, and look, even my son is so fired up about it. He's got something to say about it. He's just like going, Mum, I hear you, dude. I hear you. Like, seriously, I'm sick and tired of it too. And I just want to say to you people out there, life is too short. Life is too short for you to sit down and wonder what it's going to be, what it would be like. I would rather take 1,000 steps forward and fail and fall flat on my face and know what I've achieved by taking those 1,000 steps than just stand where I am and wonder, Too many people die with their dance in their legs still. And, I just don't understand whether people really grasp that concept, that life is too short, that you cannot buy time. You can't buy time. Once it's gone, it's gone. So guys, stop getting ready to be ready. Stop wondering whether you are going to do this or whether you can do that or what people are going to think about if you do this. Hit me a 2 if you felt this way, right? Hit me a 2 because I want to know that I'm speaking to the right people, right? At the end of the day, all you've got to do is wonder, right? What if tomorrow is your last day? I mean, as melodramatic as it sounds, tomorrow is not guaranteed. And at the end of the day, if tomorrow is your last day, what are the things that you want to be doing right now? Right? What are the things that you've put off that you could be doing, that you should be doing right now? And if you're meant to be having a conversation with someone, if you're meant to be doing something that you've not done because you've just been lazy, procrastinating, blah, 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 or in your head, guys, you know what? We are human. We're meant to fail. We're meant to fall on our face. Who cares what we look like? Look at me. I really don't care because at the end of the day, my why and my desire and my goals to achieve and make the most of this amazing thing called life far outweighs, the stuff that goes on in my head. And I'm not going to say that I don't have stuff in my head. I do. I do have voices in my head that sometimes tell me that I can't. I do have voices sometimes in my head that tell me, hey, what about this person? What about this person? What about, you know what? But when I think about my why, I just go, no, you're not going there. You are so not going there. And I know that sounds kind of like a little bit hashtag cray-cray, but at the end of the day, I know what I need to do to get myself to a point that my why is so much more stronger than anything that I can tell myself. And that is what I wake up with every single day, with purpose. And I've got goals that I want to achieve and people that I want to help. And I want you guys to really understand the fact that we are here to serve, we're here to help, we're here to experience, we're here to love, we're here to feel. So guys, just go out and do it. Just go out and do it because life is beautiful. And stop being in your head. Stop listening to people that are naysayers and negative to tell you that you can't do it, because you can. You so absolutely can. And the only thing that is stopping you is you. And the longer that you impose these limitations in your mind and to yourself, the more that you're going to be living in regret later on. So give me a 3 if that message resonates with you and if I've helped you. And if you think that someone deserves to listen to this, please like, comment and share this clip, because I certainly want people to really truly grasp the notion that life is far too short for you not to be able to just grab it with both hands and just go, you know what, I'm going for it, right? So guys, just go out and make it happen. Just do it, because you know you absolutely can. You absolutely 1,000,000,000,000% can. I believe in you. I believe in everybody. All you've got to do is just do it. So guys, my name is Elsa Morgan. I truly hope this has helped you. And if it has, like I said, like, comment, share, and I'll see you tomorrow night. Have a great night. Bye-bye.